In the shimmering neon-lit city of Neo-Tokyo, 20-year-old Hayami, a Jamaican mixed-race woman of Oriental and Black Jamaican genetics, stands atop a skyscraper balcony, her long, sleek black curly hair shimmering under the city lights. Raised in Jamaica by her father, a reggae musician, and her mother, a master of Oriental beauty techniques, Hayami embodies a perfect blend of two worlds. Her mother, a renowned esthetician, infused her with ancient Japanese beauty secrets, which she perfected through holographic tutorials and neural implants. When Hayami moved to Japan at 18, she faced challenges, but her unique blend of Caribbean warmth and Japanese elegance caught the attention of the beauty industry. She entered the Cyber Beauty Pageant, a competition that combines traditional beauty with futuristic tech enhancements. Using bioluminescent skin modifications and augmented reality makeup, she wowed judges with her radiant, multicultural aura. Hayami won, becoming a symbol of harmony between East and West. With her newfound fame, Hayami became a cultural ambassador. She traveled back and forth to Jamaica, sharing stories of the advanced Japanese society, its innovations in sustainable tech, and its respect for tradition. During a festival in Kingston, she showcased a holographic dance that fused reggae rhythms with Japanese martial arts, captivating both Jamaican and Japanese audiences. But Hayami's true mission was deeper, to mend worlds through understanding and beauty. She developed a virtual reality experience called Roots and Rising, allowing people worldwide to explore Jamaican landscapes and Japanese temples simultaneously. Her goal was to foster a global community rooted in shared heritage and future possibilities. As she gazed at the sunset over the Caribbean coast during one of her visits, Hayami reflected on her journey. Her fusion of cultures had made her not just a beauty queen, but a pioneer, showing that technology and tradition could coexist to create a more understanding, beautiful world. In the end, Hayami's story is a testament to the power of cultural harmony, inspiring countless others to embrace their heritage and look towards a future where diversity is celebrated through innovation and love.